If you like these cars that we're showing you, these supercars or any other cars we're bringing to the channel, taking these cancer patients out for a ride, if you would just hit that subscribe button, it really would help us out so other people will be able to view the content that we're putting out. More people will get to see it. Maybe we can bring more cars in, get more, even better cars coming in. And just hit that subscribe button for us. It's absolutely free.
Landon, you want to come here? Landon is 9 years old and started having seizures for the first time back in November of last year, and we didn't know what was wrong. A couple ER visits. We ended up being admitted into Huntsville. They ran several tests. The MRI came back that he had a tumor, and I will get emotional if I don't like speed through this.
It's okay.
But so from the tumor, we were told we were going to go to St. Jude's in Memphis and have it biopsied. And best case scenario, they'd be able to completely remove the tumor during the biopsy, and then it would just kind of be done. So went to Memphis, had the surgery done at Le Bonheur with Dr. Klimo, who was amazing, and being goofy. And so they believe that they were able to get the whole tumor. We're not sure yet, though.
And when was this?
Sure. This was, I want to say December the 17th.
Oh, this has not been long ago at all.
Not long at all. He's healing up really nicely.
Yeah, he
really
is.
nicely. But so they think that they got the whole tumor. This type of cancer, though, so the pathology report came back. We got it the Monday after New Year, so just not too long ago, that it came back cancerous. So stage 2. The type of cancer actually can appear in their spine also. So we go back in March to have more of a full body scan, and he's having some blurred vision since the surgery, so we're gonna have that, looked at and monitored. And so we're kind of in the waiting game right now. We're in the waiting process.
We're gonna be fine.
We're gonna be fine.
We're gonna be
Totally
fine. You keep that positive attitude, and that way you're going, we're gonna be fine.
And he's definitely been positive through every bit of this. And it's made my job easier to be stronger, and his dad's job. So
yep,
we've been very blessed with that.
Yep.
He's my hero. He don't even know.
He kind of just takes it in stride. Like he's like, "Oh, I've got cancer. Okay, we need to do brain surgery. Let's go do brain surgery.
Let's just do what we got to do."
Yeah.
Sure will. Landon, you want to push the start button for me? Just push it and hold it down for a second. There you go. You got it. There you go.
Let me get both of you guys in here. Oh wait, it's on portrait, so it's making blurry. Hang on. There we go. Love it. Have fun, bud. Okay. All right.
Let's get you a little rev going here.
I see why this was a limited edition car. Y'all having like a show off to see who has the most loudest. Oh yeah, I should post fast.
Oh yeah, you got to put that seatbelt though.
I was hoping flying.
You like it?
Yeah.
Come on, man. He's gonna come by you. Here you go.
And that's how I became deaf.
You're gonna scared when they told you got brain cancer, or was you like, let's just get it fixed?
I was kind of scared.
Just kind of scared?
Yeah.
I don't blame you. I would have been too. I was scared when they told me I had my cancer.
But I know that God's on my side.
Yes, he is, Bubba. God is on your side. And if he's for you, who can be against you? You just keep that positive attitude, you'll be fine, I'm telling you.
When you first started going fast, I was like, oh, this is kind of scary.
Oh, yeah, and he went fast.
What's the max speed you can go?
217, but we will not be going it.
270. Oh God, the dog like puts his tongue out the window at this speed. Yeah, the tongue would be flying.
You play any sports?
No.
No, no sports.
Yeah, no sports.
You don't play backyard football or nothing like that?
No. Well, we one time played tennis once. It probably runs out of gas really quickly, doesn't it?
Yes, it does that. We pass everything but a gas station.
The gas station was like, are you sure about that?
Okay, buddy, here's your chance. This is where we're gonna roll, okay?
What chance do you mean?
This is where we're gonna go.
Fast.
Yes, this is where we're gonna go.
And
fast.
this is why. And that's why the song gas, gas, gas. We're gonna step on the gas. That's why it was created. Just for this moment.
Yeah. Did you like that?
Kinda.
Kinda.
My body's probably like, oh gosh, what was that? Especially my legs. I'm not usually used to that. This car is your personality is perfect for this car.
It's perfect, huh?
Yeah.
Me and you got the same personality.
Yeah, guess so.
Well, you didn't even know you was getting to come right in this, did you?
No.
That's what's amazing. You seen the car over there and you're like, that's a bright color car. Did you know what it was?
When I first seen it, I thought it was probably a Corvette. That was a Corvette. But then Jason said, wait, that's a Lamborghini. I have a question. Do you like the smell of gas?
Do I like the smell of gas?
Yeah, do you like the smell
No,
of
I don't like smelling gas.
Oh, for me, I like the smell of gas.
No, I like the smell of gunpowder.
Never smelled that before.
Never shot a gun.
I have. It was
Well,
not
smell
like an actual gun, like a BB.
Oh, yeah, I'm talking about real
Like
gun.
those that have like fake bullets, basically. Just have like the little ball bullets. And I still have another car that I'm gonna drive, or that I'm gonna ride.
Yeah, you do. So this little silver button, black button push down, push the black button down, pull the silver lever up. Uh-huh. And then lift it up. There you go. Here he comes. Okay, he has that's an Audi R8.
Oh, nice. And then I'm guessing this is just no ordinary Lambo, because no ordinary Lambo has all this
Lamborghini Aventador SV.
That dash is like... I'm definitely going to check out your guys' channel so I can watch
Yes,
my brother's reaction.
please subscribe to it.
Oh, I already did.
Okay, thank you. Did you do that last night?
No, it was like right as I got out the car.
Oh, okay, excellent. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
I had to give some appreciation because you guys did this for my little brother. Thank you.
That is so worth it right there. That's what's so good.
Hold on. It's not every day a kid gets to ride in a Lamborghini. You know? Like, just not even just a Lamborghini, but a sports car.
Like,
I told my friends that I was doing this, and they're like, bro. I love the way that you advertise. Like, your nameplates, you smile. Like, that's awesome. It's very creative.
thank you.
I'm not gonna lie, you guys should be like millions of subscribers because like people like all I gotta say is that you guys are awesome. Like that you guys do this type of stuff. Like not a lot of people would waste their time helping other people.
I do it. That was my mission because I was laying in bed with cancer on chemo, and I was like, there's a little boy on Facebook, he was dying, and his dad said he loved exotic cars.
Yeah, my mom told me the story.
Oh yeah, and I said, if I ever get an exotic car, I'll take cancer patients out for a ride.
Yeah. It's definitely cool though.
Thank you. What's the retail on one of them things? You're supposed to say more than you can afford, pal. There we go.
Do you have a son or a daughter?
I do have a son.
How old is he?
23.
Wow. How old are you?
43.
You look like 20 something. That's an achievement.
I just got the best news ever. He said I look like 20 something.
The young ones don't know scale.
Yeah, they haven't figured it out yet, have they?
I mean, he does look like it though.
Yeah, I mean, that'd been the worst news ever.
It's just the car.
Yeah, it just makes
Walk away from the car, you look older.
probably true. You got bird poop on your car and I got it on mine. Where do we get bird pooped on?
Some bird didn't like swimming up. We looked it up.
Probably scared the crap out of it.